Time for Alice to announce the all-important winner of this week's Domain Prize.
Well, this is exciting, isn't it? We are here to announce the winner of Week 1's Domain Prize, which, of course, is $5,000 in cash that you can spend at your whim starting this afternoon, and $5,000 in marketing spend that you can spend on your campaign.
Alice, what did you think about the bathrooms today?
Well, first of all, I'm incredibly overwhelmed by what I'm seeing here today. It's absolutely exceeded my expectations. There was one couple, though, who have really nailed the most important thing that I believe in winning the blog, and that is thinking of the end buyer. And that is key to winning this competition. The winner for the first time this season of the Domain Prize is Norm and Jess.
Unbelievable.
Just to have some kind of reassurance that we're on the right track, and just to have someone that believes in what you're doing is just beautiful.
Oh, and you laugh at me, that's right. Well done, guys.
On Norm and Jess's heels are Bianca and Carla, who came in half a point behind. Then Hayden and Sarah on 6.5. With Courtney and Hans and Kerry and Spence both on 6.
How lucky, because we just winged it.
Well done, absolutely incredible effort for the first week.
Thank you very much, Alice. It is back to work for you. Back you go. Thank you.